Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're diving into something really exciting, antigravity. So what exactly is antigravity? Well, think of it as an intelligent IDE, or more specifically, an agentic development platform, where you can build applications simply by writing prompts. Instead of manually coding everything, antigravity leverages top-tier language models like Claude, Gemini, and ChatGPT to generate code for you. And here's the best part. It doesn't just stop at code generation. It can automatically test your application, open a browser, and iterate on its own until the task is fully completed. Now, even though this sounds incredibly powerful, and it is, you still need to understand what's happening behind the scenes, because better understanding leads to better prompts, and better prompts lead to better results. All right, let's jump right in. First, you'll need to download Antigravity onto your local machine. Go ahead and choose the version that matches your operating system, and start the download. And one of the best parts is it's completely free to get started. So you can explore the platform, build apps, and experiment without any upfront cost. And when you're ready to scale, whether that's higher usage limits or building more complex applications, you can always upgrade to a paid plan. All right, now let's head back to the download section. Once it's downloaded, the installation is pretty straightforward. If you're on a Mac, simply drag the app into your applications folder. And if you're on Windows, just run the installer and execute the exe file. Now, once you're inside your project folder, the first step is to authenticate your Gmail account with Antigravity. This allows the platform to connect securely and enable all its core features. Once that's done, you're fully set up and ready to start building your application. After installation is complete, first we'll need to create a new folder for your project and give it a name that reflects what you're building. Just like any traditional code editor, everything starts inside your project workspace. Now, once you're inside your project folder, you're ready to start building. On the right-hand side, you'll see the agent panel. This is where the magic happens. Here, you can simply type a prompt to generate your application. For example, you might say, create a landing page for my travel company. From there, you can add more details, your branding, layout preferences, features, anything you want. The more specific you are, the better the result. Next, we're going to choose a model. For the best performance, go with Claude Opus 4.6 as it delivers the most reliable and high-quality results. And for more complex tasks, make sure to switch to planning mode so the system can break down the problem and produce a more structured output. Once everything is set, go ahead and hit submit, and within moments, you'll have a fully functional landing page ready to go. As you can see, Antigravity immediately starts writing the code, organizing your folders, and even generating assets like static images for your project. At the same time, it automatically runs and tests the code on its own, and if any errors come up, it doesn't stop there. It detects the issue, fixes the bug, and retries the process automatically. This is the real power of agentic AI. It doesn't just generate code, it actively tests, debugs, and improves the output without you needing to intervene multiple times. You'll also notice that Antigravity opens a web browser by itself to test the application. It can scroll through the page, interact with elements, and even take screenshots to review the final result. So essentially, it's building an entire end-to-end project, all from a single prompt. Pretty amazing, right? And within just a short time, we now have a modern landing page, with clean UI, great UX, and best practice design, all generated automatically. Now think about this. A project like this would normally require hiring a web designer, taking several days, and potentially costing hundreds of dollars. But now you can achieve the same result in just a few minutes, and customize it however you like. That's a huge shift. Now let's take it one step further, and deploy this website live. We can do that by simply prompting Antigravity to deploy the project to Vercel. First, head over to Vercel and create your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your dashboard where all your projects are listed. From there, go to the token settings page. This is where you'll generate a new API token, which allows Antigravity to securely connect with your Vercel account. Go ahead and create a new token and give it a name. Then copy that token and paste it into Antigravity for authentication. Now simply prompt, deploy this project to Vercel using my token. And within a minute, your landing page is live on the internet for anyone to access. How cool is that? And if you already have your own domain and don't want to use the default Vercel subdomain, you can easily connect your custom domain to your deployed project. And that's it. So as you can see, you can go from a simple idea to a fully functional live application in just minutes. No complex setup, no manual coding for hours, just clear prompts, and the system handles the rest. And this is only the beginning. In the next videos, we're going to take things even further. building more advanced, production-ready applications step by step, and tools that you can actually use to create value or even generate income. If you're excited about building projects, especially production apps that can generate income, be sure to join our premium community. We'll teach you how to build any app and develop strong skills to create fully functional applications like this one with just one click. Join us in the Zero to Lawn Premium community,